Hello everyone and welcome to the demo video for version 1.30 of GoTechnology Hub 2. And in this video I'll just be giving you a quick run through of some of the new features that have been added to this release. But if you want the full details, you can go and visit the patch notes site. You can just click for release notes. Come into here and you can see, there we go, 1.30. You can have it in HTML format, docx or PDF. And the first thing that I can show you as well that's new is we've actually added the video tutorials link as well to that help menu. So you can go in there, that'll take you to our YouTube video channel, and you can watch other things, previous release videos. So now you are watching a video of me watching a video of me talking to you. Wonderful. Anyway, let's go back to version 1.30. And most of the features we've added in this are around management of change, MOCs. We've added in the ability to create digital documents, so you can do them paperlessly. So you can configure those the same as you would do for your ITRs or for your preservation work lists. You do those at MOC type level. So if we go into, for example, TQ, which is technical queries, you can go in there and you can edit or preview that. So you can set it up so that the layout matches exactly what you would your real paper-based form would be. And as part of that, we've added in a new feature called vertical field layout. So that's something you can do on headers, and I'll show you what the difference is there. If we go into the preview, you can see here. For the normal kind of header ones, which don't have that vertical field ticked, you can see it goes with the kind of title and then the bookmarked field. But when we click the vertical field, it goes with the title above and then the actual bookmark field below. So we implemented that just to kind of give a bit of flexibility and also kind of more closely match our in-house format of MOC of TQ forms. So you can see there that it has the description above. So that's one of the new features added. Another new MOC feature is auto numbering. So similar to how punch lists work, you can set up the auto numbering of MOC items, and that means that when you are adding a new MOC item, once you've got that enabled, then you don't fill in that anymore. It's given to you. And there are other options around it. You can have it so that it only works in kind of a suggestion mode if you want. So that's configured at level C level. So if we go into Alpha, you'll see there's a setting in there for MOC auto numbering if you have access to that. And you can choose, well, how do I want it to work, and do I want the enforcement to be strict, meaning you literally can't edit at all, or do you want it just to be kind of suggested, that format only? And you can see the list of available kind of bookmarks by clicking on that. So if we go ahead and we raise a new TQ, you can see that together. There's some other things I should have pointed out as well, which is we've added a few new fields in there, a few new options you can choose. You've got in some response, some actions taken, some comments, just to really kind of flesh it out so that rather than it just being an MOC register, it is actually something that really accurately kind of reproduces what the MOC form would capture. So if we just go ahead and create one quickly, then I can show you what it'll look like for when the digital document's created. 085. So for this one, we're just imagining that for some reason we need a replacement cable. Perhaps it was damaged, being over tightened or something like that. So we'll go with that. What we'll do is we'll add in some disciplines. So we will go with instrument. We'll say it's an instrument cable, and we will add in that tag as well, which was this one here. Just put that in there. There you go, that's power cable. And we could associate that with work packs, whatever we wanted to do really. We'll see if there's anything for, we'll say it's just life, this switchgear mods. And then in the detailed description you can be like, due to over tightening of occurred to the cable and a new one will be required. And then there could be a response being like none of the cables will be available for the next 17 years. Very long lead time on that cable. And then potentially somebody could write back with a proposed solution. Okay, well, obviously don't actually use this as a model for how you would really raise management of change issues. So we can save and view that. You can see it's ordered it. It's given it that order number of TQ001. And now we can actually either edit the document or generate it. So if we just generate that one out, you'll be able to see what it looks like as PDF format. And it's not going to be exactly the same as the Word document, but it'll contain the same information, and hopefully it'll contain all the information that's kind of relevant there. So you can see here that we've got the description of the query, process of solution, the engineering technical response are in there, and you've got some of the fields which are actually on that Word document, which you can kind of fill out. So if we pull that back up, you can see that there's these boxes you can fill in. And also, because it's a digital document, you can do it on screen as well. And in future, it will be added to the mobile app too. I'll just show you it on screen. There you go, you can see that, and again you can get approved for and blah blah blah. And those are the main changes that we've made really. Aside from that, there are also some other changes that we have made to a couple of sections. In the work pack section, which is in planning, we've added the ability to assign approvals to people. So when you're in the process of creating your work packs, you obviously want people to be going through and approving it. Previously, you would have to, there wasn't any way of saying, well, I want it to be this person. You can do that now, and that means that they'll get a notification that there's an approval pending against them, so you can assign that there. And we've added some functionality to allow you to reorder operations as well within a job card. And also there is, let's see if this one got any operations in it. Nope. If we go and find by operations, also on operations themselves, there's some new fields as well. So if I find some operations, I can show you that. So if we have a look at, let's go with this one here. So you can add in some additional information there, some planned start and finish dates. It will start and finish before. We've got planned start and finish and actual start and finish. And then, like I said, if we go into the actual job card itself, you can reorder those now. So that's pretty much it. That's the majority of it. There are a few other things. There's some few other bookmarking information. But if you want to find out about that, just go ahead and check out the patch notes. Thanks for watching. Bye.